Okay, so here's my first successful print with the auto bed level actually working. I'm turning the brightness of my light down. See if I can get it to focus. Of course not. There we go. Printed on the green ABS. Printed on gaff tape, which the bed is cooled down to about 60 degrees. So let's cool down a little bit. Let's see if it pulls. Holy crap, pulls right off. That looks pretty damn good. And I printed this at 200 speed, twice speed. A little bit down here, I kind of cranked it up to 250, then I came back down to 200, so I don't know if it will focus close enough here. Not really. That seems to have. If I turn this light up, focus. Well, you get the idea. This is 30mm square because it's supposed to be a shroud for this guy, which is perfect, except that I have a 40mm fan. So for now, I'm going to put some tape on it to bring it down to that size. And I have a 30mm fan on order because then I can cool that. I'm going to have to wrap. I don't know why it's not focusing. Doesn't know what to focus on, I guess. Alright, I'm going to have to wrap the hot end in, you know, some insulation and whatnot. Keep it hot. Put this on there to keep that cool. And I'm going to, I actually ordered the pressure sensitive kit. It was like $50 with the 3 sensors and a microcontroller program to do that. So I'll eliminate the stupid servo, although it seems to be doing a pretty darn good job because now that I got the firmware working. But look at this gaff tape. That just peels off like nothing, and look, it's stuck right to it. You can see the imprint that it left on there. I got a feeling I can use this for a while. I'm actually liking this now. Woohoo! And that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. Cool.